If you watched our video last week, you know we had a great experience at Descend on Bend. And now we're actually caravanning with a group of the people that we met because of Descend on Bend. So actually now we need to start packing up because we are all going to be caravanning together to the coast. And Rita and I have a lot of packing to do. We have been caravanning with Tori and Sarah, Maddie, Crystal, and we're meeting back up with our friend Trent in just a few days. After an amazing week in this beautiful spot that we've been able to call home, it was time for us to pack up and head west. Just made it to the Chevron that was down the way from the spot we've been in. We're all filling up on gas. This Chevron actually has a water fill, which is awesome. So we're gonna fill up on water, do all that good stuff so that we're ready to hit the coast. Should we get any snacks for while we wait?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go in.
Gatorade's like Reed's go-to drink.
Chips and Gatorade. Perfect road snack.
Not the healthiest, but
At least you got 0 sugar. I'm so thirsty right now. Oh my gosh.
my favorite road dog though is right here, Sleepy. We are all looking forward to the coast so badly right now. This has been something that's been on all of our minds for like the last 3 or 4 days. So this is much overdue, and I just think it's gonna light us up, and we're gonna be super hyped and excited to be there.
The very first laundromat I searched had a coffee shop, a grocery store, and something that Crystal needs, a Joanne, which I don't even know what that is. It's for a fabric store. I've never been in one in my life, but I'm glad she needs it. I would have never even thought of it. But they're all in the same area, so Denise can do the laundry while I edit our video that's coming out soon.
Tomorrow.
So I gotta get it done. So we got about an hour drive, and then we're gonna get some chores and some work done. So it's fun rolling around in a little crew. It's been pretty carefree and lighthearted, so I'm digging it. Laundry time. I'm kind of excited for you to do the laundry this time. It's always me. It's your turn.
Yay!
Oh my gosh. Alright. Got the goods.
Got my new outfit.
Love it. Fit check.
It's a lot of stuff here. Whole lot of stuff here.
Things just happened really fast. We picked a spot on the coast and we are all booking it there. I gotta be honest, our van is a mess because we didn't finish folding up our laundry. So we have a lot to put away. But we're going! I would like to toast to officially making it to the coast.
A toast for the coast.
That rhymed, I love it.
Welcome to Oregon, baby. Oregon coast.
Oregon coast. High five. Recently, Reed and I were talking about the last time that we had been on a beach. And we both realized that the last time was when we spent the winter in Florida last year. It was hard to imagine that it had been so long since our feet had touched sand. We find ourselves yet again on a beach on the opposite side of the country with new friends that feel like old friends in the best way. Hi. We're leaving the beach. We are just at... Oh, there's Jacob! Jacob! We are on our way to another beach where we're gonna make a potluck dinner all together. It should be really, really good. Do you want to see the beach? Well, come with me. We gotta bring over coconut milk and rice noodles because we're making a feast. Why is she the sweetest? The fact that she's just letting you do this. Sarah is letting me borrow her hoodie and I actually love it. Don't eat the homies. Isn't that so cute? She's the sweetest. She just let me borrow this because I was freezing on the beach. And I'm just so happy because I'm with such kind people. But I'm gonna wear this the rest of the night. We all came together and made a group meal. Reed and I made the rice. Tori and Sarah made the fried tofu. It's all crispy. Oh my god, it's so good. And then Maddie and Jacob went in on the meal. They're using it from a cookbook, I think from someone that they met at Descend on Bend. So I'm gonna ask them about that to clarify. I'm really happy to be here and we're gonna eat on the ledge and just watch the waves. How cute are we? All right, let's go. Look at this. You cut all the limes up. Wow.
Hi. What a nice pie. Your bowls are so similar to mine.
Really?
Holy
cow. That looks so freaking good.
We made it to the coast. We made it to the coast. What's our song?
Are we going?
Going to Thor's Well.
Goodbye.
Good morning. It is about 7 a.m. I'm out here walking Bella, trying to wake up. We stayed up till like 11 last night playing cards.
We're playing Uno.
So I'm pretty tired, but this morning we have somewhere really cool we want to go. We are going to check out some tide pools. So wish us luck. I hope we find a little starfish. Denise and I both are very excited. We love tide pools. We can't wait to share our experience with you. Let's go check it out.
The handoff. I think it's seaweed. Come on, Millie.
You see anything?
Nothing in this one, but we've seen a few little crabs scuttling about. And we want to find a starfish, and I want to find a big crab. Tori said earlier that it's like an adult field trip, and I totally agree. And Jacob is our guide. Our fearless guide.
Communities. And these are gooseneck barnacles. And these are new recruited California mussels. Babies of the run.
Gooseneck barnacles.
You know what kind of starfish they are?
Yeah, it's the same species. They have 2 color variations. They're called ochre sea stars.
Ochre?
Ochre.
Ochre sea star.
Like Shrek's ochre.
Oh, ochre sea star. But they're so beautiful. Lemon peel nudie brain.
Yeah.
You see it? Yeah. That's cool. So this one's trying to open up that muscle?
Yeah. So it crawled up here, and it like has these little tentacles in the bottom of it, and it's just trying to like just tear open the muscle to the inside.
The tide's coming up, so I don't want to keep going towards the water. My kid at heart is so happy to be here right now. Whew. We're making it back to the cars. I just saw a seal, too.
They're called lobster mushrooms.
Oh, I've heard of these.
Yeah.
Jacob found these lobster mushrooms. We're gonna eat them later. We're pretty sure they're lobster mushrooms, but if they aren't, it'll be too late for us by the time you see this. We're going to Yahat's Brewery and Farmhouse. Sounds kind of cute. We are all very ravenous. Oh wow, this tree looks so cool. It's like wind blown over. There's so much character on the coast. We were talking about that earlier. Like there's so much diversity and character with just the clouds and how moody it feels, how green, and all the plants. Just everything has
Biodiversity.
Yeah, the biodiversity. There's so much character in the wildlife and the plant life, and it's just so cool to be immersed in today. Tide pools was probably one of the cooler things we've done in a while. Winter Flight has all 4 flavors. We got apple melon. Very sweet. Denise, I'll take this one since you don't like sweet stuff. And I'll give you the most bitter one, which is the green ginseng, green jasmine. Here you go. What do you think?
It's good. It's sweet. Sweeter than you said. It's not that bitter.
It's not bitter?
No. Cheers.
Flower power.
Sweet. I like it. Empty plates, full heart. I can't lose.
Content. Got the itis.
That's the one we found.
How much is the chai?
35. It's 89 cents serving. No.
We ended our day at the local farmers market, perusing the different booths. A great ending to a great week.
We hope you enjoyed these Oregon views as much as we have and have enjoyed seeing us on the coast.
It's been a great time here in Oregon. We're gonna have to wrap it up, close it out. We'll catch you on the next one.
We gotta continue to soak up these views as long as we can. All right, bye.